Most people don't realize they're dehydrated. Not dramatically, not dangerously, but chronically, quietly, just enough to make the body work harder than it should. You wake up tired for no clear reason. Headaches come and go, your joints ache more than they used to. Your digestion never feels quite right. And what do most of us reach for? Another coffee, another pill, or we just push through it. What almost nobody reaches for is a drink. Not a sports drink loaded with artificial colors. Not a protein shake with 15 ingredients you can't pronounce. I'm talking about a real, natural drink. The kind human beings have been making from plants, roots, fruits, and pure water for thousands of years. My name is John, and today we're going through 13 drinks, most of them rooted in biblical tradition, that do things for the human body most of us desperately need. They reduce inflammation, support the heart, calm the gut, steady blood sugar, improve sleep, and restore the mineral balance that modern diets strip away every single day. Stay with me all the way to the end because number 13 has the deepest biblical roots of all, and the science behind it is genuinely extraordinary. And once you understand it, you'll begin to see how simple daily habits can quietly transform the way your body feels and functions over time, without requiring extreme changes or expensive solutions. Drink number 1 is beet juice, and this is where things begin to shift in a way you can actually feel. Most people overlook beets completely, but inside them is a compound that directly affects your blood flow. When converted into nitric oxide, your vessels relax, circulation improves, and your body suddenly becomes more efficient at delivering oxygen and nutrients. Over time, that means better energy, better endurance, and less strain on your heart, without you even noticing the transition. Add the anti-inflammatory power of betalains, and this simple drink starts working quietly beneath the surface, reducing the internal stress most people carry daily. But what surprised researchers most isn't just the heart benefits. It's how quickly people begin to feel subtle energy improvements within days, not weeks. Which is why this next drink focuses on something even more immediate: how your body holds hydration. Drink number 2 is Chia Water, and this is where hydration stops being temporary. These tiny seeds absorb water and form a gel that slows digestion and stabilizes blood sugar, preventing the sharp crashes that drain your energy. Instead of a quick spike and drop, your body stays steady for hours. At the same time, chia seeds deliver omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and essential minerals that support your brain, gut, and overall metabolism. But here's what most people don't realize. The way your body absorbs water matters more than how much you drink, and that's exactly where the next drink changes everything at a foundational level. Drink number 3 is lemon and sea salt water, and honestly, it's one of the simplest combinations out there with some of the most noticeable effects. Hydration isn't just about water, it's really about balance. When you lose fluids, you also lose electrolytes, and without replacing them, your body just stays a little bit off no matter how much you drink. A pinch of sea salt helps your body actually retain water, while lemon adds potassium and vitamin C, which supports immune function and cellular repair. It's a small habit, but over time, it builds a foundation your entire system depends on. And once hydration is working properly, the next step is restoring something even more powerful: your internal ecosystem. Drink number 4 is Kefir, and this is where gut health quietly takes control of everything else. Your gut influences digestion, immunity, and even mood, and when it's out of balance, your whole system just feels off. Kefir introduces beneficial bacteria that help restore that balance, improving how your body processes food and responds to stress. Over time, this creates a noticeable shift in consistency, fewer digestive issues, stronger immunity, and a body that just feels more stable overall. But even with a healthy gut, your body still needs the right minerals to function properly, which brings us to one of the most underrated drinks on this list. Drink number 5 is coconut water, and honestly, it's often underestimated because it just feels too simple to be powerful. But inside it is a natural electrolyte profile that directly supports fluid balance, muscle function, and blood pressure regulation. Many people unknowingly live in a state of imbalance due to low potassium intake, and coconut water helps correct that without much effort. It's one of those changes that doesn't feel dramatic, but over time, your body starts performing better in ways you just can't ignore. And once your body is balanced, the next step is controlling your energy instead of chasing it. Drink number 6 is green tea, and this is where energy becomes stable and controlled. Instead of the sharp spike from coffee, green tea delivers a smoother, longer-lasting focus, thanks to the combination of caffeine and L-theanine. At the same time, its antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, protecting your body at a cellular level. This isn't just about feeling alert, it's about preserving your energy over time. And what most people don't expect is that one of the biggest improvements in energy doesn't come during the day, but at night. Drink number 7 is Tart cherry juice, and this is where recovery begins. Its natural melatonin content supports deeper, more consistent sleep, while its anti-inflammatory compounds help your body repair itself overnight. Better sleep doesn't just make you feel rested, it actually changes your hormones, your mood, and your ability to perform the next day. And once your sleep improves, your body becomes far more responsive to everything else you do, especially when you support it with something as simple as the next drink. Drink number 8 is ginger and honey brew, a combination that works almost immediately. Ginger reduces inflammation and supports digestion, while honey soothes and protects. Together they create a drink that feels calming yet effective, especially when your body is under stress. It's simple, but honestly, that simplicity is what makes it powerful. And sometimes, the biggest challenge isn't what you drink, it's whether you drink enough at all. Drink number 9 is cucumber mint water, and while it seems basic, it solves a problem most people overlook: consistency. Hydration only works if you maintain it, and, honestly, a lot of people struggle to drink enough water simply because it feels repetitive. This combination makes hydration refreshing and effortless, turning something you avoid into something you actually enjoy. And once consistency is in place, your body becomes more responsive to targeted support like the next drink. Drink number 10 is Aloe Vera drink, known for its soothing effect on the digestive tract. For people dealing with irritation, reflux or discomfort, this provides gentle but effective relief while supporting gut health. It's not aggressive, but it doesn't need to be. Over time, that gentle support creates real change. And when your digestion improves, your metabolism becomes easier to manage. Drink number 11 is cinnamon tea, which plays a key role in regulating blood sugar and, improving insulin sensitivity. Stable blood sugar means stable energy, fewer cravings, and, better control over how your body uses fuel. This is where a lot of people begin to notice a difference in their daily habits without really forcing it. And once your body is balanced internally, you can finally add something that enhances both performance and mood. Drink number 12 is raw cacao drink, rich in antioxidants and magnesium. It supports heart health, improves mood, and honestly, provides a subtle boost in focus without overstimulation. It's one of those rare drinks that feels indulgent while still supporting your body at a deeper level. And now we arrive at the final drink, the one with the deepest roots, and honestly, the most powerful long-term effect. Drink number 13 is pomegranate juice, one of the most antioxidant-rich drinks available. It supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and over time, improves blood pressure, making it one of the most complete additions to your routine. This is where everything comes together: circulation, recovery, and long-term protection all working in sync. 13 drinks, all simple, all natural, all working with your body instead of against it. And really, that's the real takeaway. Your health doesn't change through extreme actions. It changes through small, consistent habits repeated daily. If you notice early, act early, and stay consistent, you stay ahead. But if you ignore the signals, the imbalance grows quietly until it becomes something harder to reverse. So don't wait until it feels serious before you take it seriously. Start small, stay consistent, and stay aware. Because awareness is what gives you control. And if this shifted your perspective even slightly, don't just watch and move on. Apply it, stay consistent, and stay one step ahead, because honestly, that's where real change begins.